2025 has been one of the wildest years in recent history. People losing jobs, companies shutting down, entire teams replaced by AI, careers collapsing overnight. But at the very same time, many others are experiencing the best year of their life, new opportunities, bigger promotions, international projects, rising income, and rapid career growth. How can two people living in the same world experience two completely different realities? The answer is simple: skills. Hi, welcome to Komarasamy AI Tech, your guide to staying future-ready with AI, technology, and career growth strategies explained in a simple and practical way. Hit subscribe to Komarasamy AI Tech for more AI, tech, and career growth content. Today, we're breaking down 7 skills that experts around the world agree will be essential for 2026. You'll also get a free learning resource for each skill, plus a special AI learning path at the end. Let's get started. Skill number 1, video editing. Video editing has become one of the most in-demand skills globally, not just for creators, but for professionals in every domain. It's critical for 2026 because personal branding creates opportunities. Companies prefer video-first storytellers, AI tools amplify editors instead of replacing them, and it teaches storytelling, timing, pacing, and structure. Explore tools like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or CapCut. But remember, tools matter less than fundamentals like cutting, timing, music, pacing, and storytelling. Your free resource: search how to edit videos in your tool, then record and edit your own clips. Skill number 2, AI prompting. If AI is the electricity of our generation, prompting is the skill that controls it. Prompting helps you solve problems instantly, automate repetitive tasks, boost creativity, save hours every day, and multiply your productivity. Use frameworks like RTCRO, role, task, context, reasoning, output, or detailed nano-banana prompts, chain of command prompts, and checklist prompts. Your free resource: the OpenAI Cookbook and hands-on experimentation. Skill number 3, public speaking. Almost every successful leader has one thing in common: clear communication. Public speaking matters because communicators earn trust instantly, explain ideas with confidence, and drive leadership and career growth. Voice-based influence cannot be replaced by AI. Your free resource: TED Talks and communication-focused YouTube channels. Skill number 4, writing. Writing is the skill that improves almost every other skill. Strong writing boosts clarity of thought, improves emails, proposals, scripts, presentations, content creation, and even decision-making. If you want a strong personal brand in 2026, writing is non-negotiable. Your free resource: read summaries of Atomic Habits and the Farnham Street blog to learn clean, simple writing styles. Skill number 5, sales and persuasion. Sales isn't just about selling products, it's about selling ideas, value, and solutions. You sell your skills in interviews. You sell ideas in meetings. You negotiate your salary. You influence decisions. And you build trust with clients. Sales is one of the highest income transferable skills. Your free resource: Alex Hormozi's YouTube channel and 100M Leads summaries. Skill number 6, personal finance. Income means nothing if you don't know how to manage it. Personal finance prevents financial stress, helps you build savings and investments, protects you during emergencies, prevents overspending and EMI traps, and gives you long-term financial freedom. Learn the basics: budgeting, saving, investing, emergency funds, and credit card strategy. Your free resource: Psychology of Money summary and personal finance YouTube channels. Skill number 7, taking care of yourself. In a fast-moving world, your health and energy are your greatest assets. Daily movement, 10,000 steps, strength training, good sleep, a clean balanced diet, simple skincare, and confident posture, these foundations create massive transformation. Your free resource: beginner-friendly fitness routines on YouTube. Now for your bonus: a complete beginner to pro AI learning path. First, learn prompting using ChatGPT documentation. Second, learn automation using free Zapier AI tutorials. Third, learn AI agents using Replit Agents Guides. Fourth, learn popular AI tools through YouTube playlists like Runway, Claude, and Gemini. And finally, build a simple AI assistant using free tools. This roadmap can make anyone AI ready in under 30 days. These 7 skills are shaping the future, and anyone who masters them will stay ahead no matter how fast the world changes. If you found this video useful, click like, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe to Komarasamy AI Tech for more AI, tech, and career growth content. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and stay AI ready.